This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by positioning yourself where the master control terminal spawns. This matters because NPC patterns and camera angles change access windows. Once in place, trigger the interaction prompt. Hold the button when it appears to enter the terminal UI. Make sure to have armor and a getaway vehicle ready because alarms will escalate fast. You want to start the hacking sequence immediately. Delaying gives enemies time to swarm. This first action reduces exposure while you gain control of the system. Once inside the terminal, follow the override path and enter the node sequence. This is the heart of the process because correct node targeting dictates success. You will perform short-timed inputs, press the buttons cleanly and avoid rushing, but act briskly to prevent detection windows. While you execute, scan the minimap and audio cues for enemies. Prioritize finishing the minigame first, then reposition. If you stall, the system resets and you must start the sequence over, costing time and drawing fire. After the terminal shows a full override, collect mission rewards or data immediately. This step finalizes progress and often spawns the extraction phase. You should exit to cover and begin your escape plan. Use a nearby vehicle or fly if available because continued exposure invites heavy response. Make sure to clear the area methodically and use countermeasures like armor or explosive cover if needed. If things go wrong, reboot to your vehicle and break line of sight. Regroup, heal, and retry the terminal sequence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.